Well done, ramp campers.
Sorry, Maxwell. I've been teaching them to tidy up. Now it's like they don't want to stop.
That's fine, Scootio. The place could use a good fixer-up. Anyway, today's an exciting day. Today, you'll have a chance to earn your rescue badge. Hey!
Yeah, rescue badge!
Vroom! A rescue badge? That'll be easy. Easy for you. You were born to be a rescue bike.
This isn't any ordinary rescue badge. It's a Ramp Camp Club solid gold rescue badge. You'll have to be extra strong and fast and tough.
Woohoo! Yeah, Ricky Zoom here. I'm extra all those things.
And work together as a team.
That's me too. Team Ricky. And all of us. Gotcha. See? Rescuing is easy.
Ricky, Scootio, Loop and DJ, report to the emergency training area for rescue testing.
Go! Come on, Scoot Bops. Time to roll.
Maybe you could leave them here? They're saving me having to sweep up.
OK, I'll put them on automatic and come and fetch them later.
OK, guys, just relax. Today we're going to see how well you work together in rescue situations.
Yep, we've got some pretend rescue jobs for you to do, complete with a bike to rescue.
Ow! Great acting, Blip. I'm not acting. This branch is scrunching my spokes. Boy, he's really good.
If you can complete these tasks, you'll all get your rescue badges.
Let's zoom!
Buddies, go!
Yeah, done!
Now let's rescue Blip.
Help!
I've got it.
We totally did it. Gonna get our badges. Tire bomb.
What?
We did it?
Don't worry, gang. We'll set everything up again and you can give it another try.
But we passed the tests already.
We did? I was pretty sure all I did was crash a bunch of times. You did. Ricky passed the tests.
Ricky, you did great. But for everyone to earn their rescue badges, you have to work as a team.
Huh?
Hank! Emergency!
Sorry, kids. It'll have to wait. Emergency! Emergency! They ran out of mess to eat, so now they're eating everything that's not mess. Hey! That's my good wrench! My favourite workbench! Don't worry, Maxwell. We'll be right there. Uh-oh! No way! You are not taking my lunchbox.
Oh, the Scoot Bops are on automatic. They won't listen to me.
Don't worry, kids. We'll handle this. Come on, Hank. Let's stop the Scoot Bops.
Oh, why can't we go?
'Cause we're not rescue bikes? But we could be. If we went and helped, they'd totally see what a great rescue crew we are and give us all our solid gold badges.
So you will let us do stuff this time?
What? Of course.
Maxwell, you okay?
My lunchbox! Mine!
Maxwell, it's Helen and Hank. What are you doing up there?
Those scoop bops chewed up everything. I mean, yeah, the place is the cleanest it's been in years. But at what cost? At what cost?
Well, let's get you down from there. It might take a little while to get a ramp up to you.
Where did the scoop bops go?
Oh, when everything was cleaned up, they just rode off. I suppose in search of another mess to clean.
Huh? Good acting, Blip.
Acting! I might be able to get them off automatic if they just sit still.
Why do robots hate me? Oh, Ricky to the rescue! Scoop Bop, stop! I said stop! Hey! What's wrong with you, Scoop Bops? Can't outsmart a rescue bike. Whoa!
Ricky, you okay?
I'm fine.
You don't sound fine.
No, they escaped. Go on.
Ricky, you're a great rescue bike, but sometimes to save the day, you need more than just you.
Like two me's?
That's not what I meant. You need a team. Your parents are a team, right?
Yeah?
And you're part of a team too. Us.
You're right. We are a great team. I bet we can stop those Scoot Bops together. Wait. So Blip isn't acting?
Okay, rescue bike, what's the plan?
All for one and bikes for all. Nice work, DJ. That'll hold the net in place. Now take position until my signal. Time to back up Blip.
Rolling at ya! Don't worry, Blip, we're here to help. These Scoot Bops are looking for mess, so let's give them less mess. Zoom cam, go!
Nice work! Now for phase 3, dirt distraction. Loop, mess it up! Finally! A good reason to get dirty! You can stop now, Blip! They're not chasing you anymore! They're chasing me! Nice work! Take it to the net! Wait. Hold it. Now! Yeah! Zoom-tastic!
Oh no, they're still moving too much.
Rescue bike. I think they're having the net for dessert.
Huh? No way! The bike buddies always make their rescue. Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Ricky to the rescue!
Wow, nice work, Ricky.
Yes, you really saved the day.
It wasn't just me. It was all of us. We're a team. OK, there. They're off automatic. They should listen to me now.
Hooray! So, can we try to earn our rescue badges again? As a team?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ricky. No. Because you already earned them. All of you.
Now, who wants their badges? It's all about the teamwork.
Yeah! Rescue badge! Blip! It's stopped! It's over!
Hey kids, it's the incredible Steel Awesome here. You already know that I've done some pretty amazing things. Ha! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Yes, I just did that, and I could do it again, but instead I've been working hard on the most amazing stunt the world has ever seen.
More amazing than that?
Yes, more amazing than that. So I would like to invite anyone with a thirst for thrills to come and see me perform my new stunt live Friday at the Wheelford Adventure Park. It'll be awesome. Steel awesome.
Whoa! Did he say he would be in Wheelford?
Uh-huh.
Did he say Friday?
Uh-huh.
Isn't today Friday?
Mm-hmm.
We have to be the first ones there!
Yeah! I'll be first in line.
Over my flat tire! Let's try that again! We should go one at a time.
Yeah!
Definitely.
Okay.
Starting with me. Hey! Wait up! He's good. I can't wait to see Steel's new stunt.
Once I saw him do a hyperspin. Whoa! 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 It's harder than it looks. I'm okay.
I want to see his drift. I'm okay.
I hope it's some kind of wheelie stoppy combo. Whoa! Whoa! That would be awesome. Whoa! What kind of move is that, Loop? It's not a move. Something weird is happening. Oh no! Your back tire is flat.
No, it can't be. Flats are for bikes who aren't in a big hurry to see Steel Awesome. See? Not flat. Let's go! We need to get you to Maxwell's.
There's still time if we hurry.
Come on, I'll give you a lift. Oh, finally here. Carrying you is grinding my gears.
What is this? Cheese?
Yeah, maybe a little creamy garlic dipping sauce in there too. What are you doing here?
My tire's flat. I need Maxwell to fix it.
Oh, I'll be right with you, Loop, as soon as I fix up your brother. Pepperonis?
Yep, I ran over an extra large with double pepperoni and anchovies, so we're just getting started.
But I can't wait that long. We have to get to the park to see Steel Awesome's new stunt.
Steel Awesome? Here, in Wheelford?
He's got a big
He might be at the park right now.
Well, that doesn't happen every day. Oh, hurry. In the meantime, Loop, try to stay off that back tyre. We don't want you to make it any worse, do we?
Looks like I'm stuck here. You guys should go ahead without me.
Nuh-uh. No way. Buddies never leave a bike behind.
You're coming with us, Loop.
Just need to work out how to get you there. Wait. I have an idea.
Woohoo! Whee!
Bike trailer?
Why haven't we done this before?
Watch out! Coming through! Sorry, guys. In a hurry. Did you know Still Awesome's in town?
Yeah, we're on our...
Can't talk. Still Awesome. Yeah. Whoa-hey!
We have to floor it, or we're going to miss the show.
We need to gear up.
Hang on, Luke. I'm about to show this road who's boss. It's me. I'm boss.
I'm okay. We made it. We didn't miss the show.
See, Luke? I told you we'd get you here in time. Oh, no. What's wrong? Loop is gone. He must have fallen out on the way here.
Come to think of it, the trailer did feel lighter. I thought I was just getting stronger.
We have to find him. If we hurry, we can still have him back in time for the stunt.
That was fun! Ricky, DJ, Scootio, where is everyone? We're at Still Stunt Show! We made it! Wait a minute, I'm not there. I didn't make it at all. I'll get there somehow. Leave it to Loop. Because there's nobody else here to leave it to.
Where is he? We've looked everywhere.
Bikes don't cheer like that for just anybody. That must be.
Still Awesome just got to the park.
You can't do stuff like that when we're not there. Somebody tell him we're not there.
We have to find Loop.
We're going to miss the show.
It doesn't matter. We have to keep looking. Let's zoom out.
La 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 loo, la 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 loo. I could do this all day. Yay!
These tyre marks are fresh. They're loops. We're getting close. Whoa!
Hey,
Lou!
what are you doing here?
We're looking for you.
But then you're missing Still.
Climb on, Loop, and let's zoom out.
We're here. Let me off. Let me off.
Whoa! Can you guys believe he did that? Best thing I ever saw. Still Awesome is a legend. Whoa!
Well, guess we missed it.
All because of my flat tyre.
I guess we should go.
Yeah. It's all over. Come on, Loop. Let's get you back to Maxwell's and get your tyre fixed.
Whoops.
Sorry.
Sorry, kid.
Still awesome.
Well, that's what they call me. Sometimes they call me the Incredible Steel Awesome. But you don't have to.
I'm your biggest fan. You're amazing.
Hey, thanks. Right back at ya. How'd y'all like the show?
We didn't.
We weren't.
I had a flat.
Yeah, pretty amazing, right? Maybe my best ever, except for that ending. Still needs something. Anyway, catch you later.
Wait a minute.
Huh? Hey, do that again, kid.
You mean this?
Yeah. That's it! That's the ending I was looking for! I have to try it right now. You guys want to watch?
Yes. Wow. Can you believe it, Lou? He got that from you! I made Steel Awesome even more awesome!
That was some serious air.
Awesome! So looped! Best thing I ever saw!
And thanks for getting him here.
Oh.
You know, a bike is nothing without a crew. And it looks like you're a pretty great one.
Official Steel Awesome crew badges!
See you around.
Best day ever! Getting a flat tire was the best thing that ever happened to me. But I should probably get it fixed, right? Yes, definitely, Luke.